guys, welcome back to M&M Outdoors. Today we're fishing. I'm gonna fish with the inline spinner, or some people call it. Ooh, sit down. Here we go. Oh. Been fishing here for a while, so I might switch spots in a minute if I don't catch anything. Did I have him? I had him. He's gone now. That looks really nice in the water. Oh. I'm gonna see if I can get any fish to follow this thing at least. I'm gonna go a little bit slower. Oh, did you see that? My rod just had one. That's not where I wanted it to go. Okay. Turning into a topwater spinner. Oh my goodness, I can't get it out in front of me. Here we go. There we go. I'm gonna go slow. Oh, I got a stick. Oops. There we go. Oh man, he's biting. I wonder if that was a bunch of little fish or small fish. Right back in that spot. Got one. Nice little perch. Here we go. Here. Just barely hooked him. Nice perch. Cast right back in there. There we go. I think if I get in deeper water, something's gonna bite that's bigger. There we go. Okay, nothing there. There we go. Perch again, maybe. Got one, got one. Nope. Oh, tree. Oh my, he's tangled on my line. There we go. Oh my, this thing won't get off. Just pull it. There we go. Okay. Then just wash them off in the water. There we go. Get it right back out there. Catch a perch. Or bluegill. Or crappie. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna move over a little bit. See if I can catch anything over here. There we go. Oh, had him. Guessing another perch because we got too many perch in this lake. It's early on in the season, so I was wondering if they were biting or not. Got a bite. Oh, oops. Had another one. Here we go. Let it sit for a sec. Nothing. Okay. Oops. Oh, it's set. There we go. Oh, I had him. Got him. Nope. Wait, no. Come on. I almost had him. Oh, caught a crawfish. Whoa, wait, what? Oh, that's crazy. What? What in the world? Whoa. It's crazy. Okay, just say I gotta take care of this guy. Just took care of that guy now. Now I'm gonna keep fishing. Nope. No. Okay. That was crazy. I got a crawfish. Never done that before. Oh, I had him. I had something, probably like, it felt like a big fish. Got one. Got one. Ooh. Ooh. Nice perch. Nice perch. Nice. Hey, buddy. Stop. 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 Nice. Came off the hook right there. Came off. Oh, nice. I already let him go. What's up? Rooster tail's working pretty good today. Oh, I had another one. Oh, looks like it. Yep, I got some seaweed. Knew it. Wonder if I can hit it off in one of the rocks down there. There we go. There we go. Nice cast. Man, almost got him. Oh man. Keep getting into weeds or something. I just have to take this one off. Here we go. Oh my. Where did that go? Here we go. Man, I snagged a big chunk of seaweed. Okay. Okay, there we go. Wondering if that's a weed I snagged on. Nope. There we go. Oh, no. Oh, I had one. He kept biting it. He wanted it bad, so there we go. Kind of want to get it over there. Had him. Yeah, I'm gonna get right over here by these rocks. If you just keep it up on shore, you should get it. I'm gonna try to get right behind those rocks again. Oh man, got more weeds on there. Here we go. Oh, I got seaweed. Okay. Oh, just got a bite. Wonder if they just like the shiny part of the rooster tail. That's why they're biting it. Cause I would not think a crawfish would bite that. Here we go. Just a little bit of seaweed on the hook. Okay. Oops. Don't think anything is going to be that shallow. Probably be further out there. So much seaweed out here. Clean it off a little bit. Oh no. Oh. Oh, just seaweed. Yeah, I'll just take it off. Stuff's nasty. Oh, it's not that cold in there. Might move over to this dock over here in just a sec. And back here, I'm just gonna see if I can catch anything. There we go. Oh, had one. Just, I'm gonna get out of this black stuff. I'm gonna get up on shore. If I reel it in slow, they're biting. Oh, I had a bite. Sorry, I'm gonna cast it right back in there. It's a little bit too close. Thought I got a perch, but I didn't. Or something. I don't know if it was a perch or not. Okay, nope. Okay, I'm gonna come over here past these rocks. See if I can. Okay. Gonna go right back over here. Come on. Oh, there we go. Yep, that's spinning like it should be now. Can't tell if I'm getting bites or if I'm hitting seaweed. Oh, come on. Oh, there we go. Oh, I had a bite right there. Come on. There we go. These perch really like this rooster tail. Okay. Oops. Missed one. Oh, come on. There we go. Got a little. There. These are. Oh, up here. Okay. There we go. There. I don't know what's going on up there. Need to unspin it one more time. So it's going like that. I wonder if I put the line on this wrong or what. just fell on me. Oh, do I still have him? No, come on. Oh man, that's all wet. Okay, the rest I can get off the water. There we go. Came off. Oh, I had him. Okay. Oh man. Got him. Oh, what? Got off again. Oh well, that should be fine. Yeah, tangled up here. Okay, here we go. Got him. Nope. Oh! He just came off. I think that's it for this video. Bye.